Good morning, students. In the last lecture, we have discussed about the concentration terms, solubility, and Henry law in the unit solution. Now, we are going to start our next part, numerical portion based on the concentration terms. So, let's start. First question. Concentrated nitric acid used in the laboratory is 68% nitric acid by mass in aqueous solution. We have given nitric acid that is 68% by mass. What should be the molarity of such sample of the acid if density of the solution is 1.504 gram per ml? So we have given percentage that is 68% by mass. So 68% nitric acid. Nitric acid means HNO3 जो हमें दिया गया है by mass. It means W by W, weight by weight of nitric acid given to us, that is 68%. 68% का मतलब क्या है कि 100 ग्राम के अंदर हमारा 68 ग्राम्स क्या है नाइट्रिक एसिड. So we can say that mass of nitric acid that is 68 gram and mass of the solution that is 100 gram. Mass of solution is 100 gram. In 100 gram, 68 gram is nitric acid. And again we have given the density. Density of solution is it is 1.504 ग्राम पर ml. और हमसे पूछा गया है find out what should be the molarity. We have to find out the molarity. Molarity means capital M, number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liter. We have to find out this. The mass of the HNO3 that act as a solute given. The molar mass of HNO3 that is hydrogen plus nitrogen plus 3 atom of oxygen. It is 1 plus 14 plus 3 into 16. So it come out to be 63. It is 48, then it is 63 mole per gram per mole. That is the molar mass of HNO3, 63 gram per mole. So we can calculate number of moles of nitric acid and volume of solution that have given mass, that is density. Density is equal to mass upon volume. So we can find out volume is equal to mass upon density. We have given mass is 100 gram and density that is given as 1.504 gram per ml. So we can calculate density 100 by 1.504 ml. That is the volume of solution, and we can calculate number of moles of solute. So the number of moles of solute, that is HNO3, these are mass of solute by molar mass of solute. Mass of solute is that is 68 gram and molar mass of solute we have find out that is 63. These are the number of moles and it is volume of solution. So we can easily find out molarity is equal to number of mole 68 by 63 and volume of solution in liter. So it is 100 by 1.504, that is the ml, so it multiplied by 1000. We can calculate molarity. Molarity, that is moles per liter. That is the molarity. So such type of the questions in which we have given percentage by mass means weight by weight. The mass of solute, that is 68 gram, we have given in percentage. It means in 100 gram में हमारा जो HNO3 प्रेजेंट है that is 68 ग्राम. तो 100 ग्राम में 68 ग्राम मास हमें दिया गया था सॉल्यूशन का. मास ऑफ द नाइट्रिक एसिड दैट इज 68 ग्राम. तो डेंसिटी हमें दी गई है, तो डेंसिटी से हम किसको निकाल लेंगे, वॉल्यूम निकाल लेंगे. वॉल्यूम हमारी आ गई और हमने नंबर ऑफ मोल्स कैलकुलेट किए बाई मास बाई मोलर मास. मास इज 68, मोलर मास HNO3 के 63. So we can calculate molarity of the solution. That is our first question. Second question. Calculate the molarity of solution. In the second question, we have to find out calculate the molarity of solution in which calculate the molarity of solution in which 30 ml of 0.5 30 ml of 0.5 molar H2SO4 diluted to 500 ml. Important question. Calculate the molarity of solution. हमें कैलकुलेट क्या करना है, that is molarity. We have to find out the molarity. Solution molarity, that is number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liter. That is the formula for the molarity. And we have given that 30 ml of 0.5 molar H2SO4 and it is diluted to 500 ml. So 30 ml of 0.5 molar H2SO4. 0.5 molar means molarity हमें दी गई है H2SO4 की. So molarity is equal to number of moles by volume of solution. It is 0.5. इसका क्या मतलब है कि H2SO4 के जो मोल्स प्रेजेंट है these are 0.5 moles. 0.5 moles of H2SO4 प्रेजेंट इन कितनी वॉल्यूम के अंदर प्रेजेंट है, प्रेजेंट इन 1 लीटर. 1 लीटर मीन्स 1000 ml of solution. 0.5 moles of H2SO4 present in 1000 या 1000 ml और 1 liter of the solution. अब यहाँ से हम क्या फाइंड आउट करेंगे, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स प्रेजेंट इन 30 ml of the H2SO4 solution. If in the 1000 ml number of moles present is 0.5 moles, so in the 1 ml of solution number of moles present will be 0.5 by 1000. These are the number of moles in the 1 ml of the solution. Now we can calculate number of moles in 30 ml of solution. In the 30 ml of solution it is 0.5 by 1000 into 30. It come out to be 1.5 by 100. These are the number of moles present in 30 ml of solution, and it is diluted to, these number of moles are diluted to 500 ml. So we can easily calculate molarity when it is diluted to 500 ml. So molarity will be equal to number of moles, in that case these are diluted to 500 ml, by volume of solution. It is diluted to 500 ml and it is 1000. Convert into 1000. So it come out to be molarity we can calculate from here. It is 3 by 100. So it is 0.03 molar solution. In this question, calculate the molarity of solution in which 30 ml. सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया, इस 0.5 मोलर H2SO4 हमें गिवन था, जिसका कितना ml दिया था 30 ml. तो हमें 0.5 मोलर के अंदर नंबर ऑफ मोल्स निकाले. These are 0.5 मोल is present in 1 लीटर. तो 1 ml में हमने निकाल लिए. फिर उसके बाद क्या, 30 ml में हमने नंबर ऑफ मोल्स को फाइंड आउट किया. Then these number of moles which are present in 30 ml of a solution. These are number of mole, and these number of moles and volume increased up to 500 ml. So we can find out the molarity up to the 500 ml. It come out to be 0.03. So our next question, that is third question. Our third question given is, a solution of glucose in water is labeled as 10% weight by weight. We have given solution of glucose in water, weight by weight, that is 10% glucose in water. Next, what would be the molality and mole fraction? We have to find out molality and mole fraction of each component in the solution. If density of solution is density, that is given as 1.2 gram per ml. Then third point asks, then what shall be the molarity? We have also find out the molarity of a solution. So here number of moles, that is weight by weight. 10% means कि 10% glucose present in 100 gram of solution. So we differentiate all the three component in different, that is solute, हम अलग अलग कर लेंगे, solute, next is solvent and next is solution. हमने इन तीनों कंपोनेंट्स को क्या किया, अलग अलग लिखिया. जो जो चीजें हमें दी गई हैं उनको हम यहाँ पर नोट डाउन करेंगे. सोल्यूट 10% ऑफ ग्लूकोज मीन्स हमें मास दिया सोल्यूट का, दैट इज 10 ग्राम. क्या है ये, ग्लूकोज, दैट इज अवर ग्लूकोज. कि 10 ग्राम ऑफ ग्लूकोज इन 100 ग्राम ऑफ सोल्यूशन. सो मास ऑफ सोल्यूशन इज 100 gram. Then what is the mass of solvent? Then it is mass of solvent is 90. 100 minus 10, that is 90 gram. And density of solution, density is 1.2 gram per ml. We have to find out molality, mole fraction and molarity. From here we can calculate we can calculate volume. Density is equal to mass upon volume. So volume is equal to mass upon density. So we can calculate, it is mass. Mass given is 100 and density is 1.2. Mass in gram, that is gram per ml. So it is 100 by 1.2 ml. That is the volume of a solution. Mass is given, solvent that is water. So we can calculate number of moles of solvent, that is 90 by molar mass of water molecule is 18. It is 5. Number of moles of water, these are 5. We can calculate number of moles of glucose. Glucose is C6H12O6 and molar mass of glucose is 180. So we can calculate number of moles 10 by 180. These are the number of moles of solute, number of moles of solvent. This is volume of solution and this is mass of solution, that is mass of solvent. So we can calculate first molality. Molality means number of moles of solute by mass of solvent in kilogram. We can find out number of mole of solute is 10 by 180 and mass of solvent in kilogram, mass is 100 in kilogram, that is 1000. So we can calculate molality Molality is number of mole of solute by mass of solvent in kilogram. Mass of solvent, so it is 90. It is 90 by 1000. Mass of solvent we have given is 90. Second term is molarity. Molarity is number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liter. So it is number of mole of solute is 10 by 180 and volume of solution in ml, that is 100 into 1.2, that is ml can be converted into 1000. This is our molarity. Molality this and molarity is this, moles per liter, moles per kilogram. Third point is mole fraction. We can calculate mole fraction. Mole fraction of first solute. Solute means glucose. In case of glucose, it is number of moles of glucose, that is N1 over number of moles of glucose plus water. So number of moles of glucose, these are 10 by 180 divided by 10 by 180 plus number of moles of solvent, these are 5. We can calculate mole fraction of glucose. Similarly, we can calculate mole fraction of solvent 5 by this plus this. So total number of moles in the denominator and in the numerator, which we have to find out the mole fraction. It is very important question. A solution of glucose, जिसमें भी labeling दी जाए 10%. It means mass हमें दिया गया है तीनों का, mass of solute, solvent and solution. फिर उसमें हमें डेंसिटी दी गई थी, डेंसिटी से हमने वॉल्यूम फाइंड आउट की, वॉल्यूम फाइंड आउट करके हमने इन दोनों के क्या नंबर ऑफ मोल्स निकाले, इन नंबर ऑफ मोल्स से हमने मोलैलिटी निकाली, मोलैलिटी नंबर ऑफ मोल ऑफ सोल्यूट बाय वेट ऑफ सोलवेंट, मोलैरिटी निकाली हमने नंबर ऑफ मोल ऑफ सोल्यूट बाय वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इन लीटर, एंड मोल फ्रैक्शन सिंपली द रेशियो ऑफ नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ दैट कंपोनेंट बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ मोल्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, calculate mass of urea required in making. Next question is question number 4. Calculate mass of urea required in making 2.5 kilogram of 0.25 molar aqueous solution. It is also important question. कैलकुलेट द मास ऑफ यूरिया, हमें फाइंड आउट क्या करना है, यूरिया का मास निकालना है. रिक्वायर्ड इन मेकिंग 2.5 किलोग्राम, हमें कितना बनाना है 2.5 किलोग्राम, एंड वी हैव गिवन 0.25 मोलर एक्वस सॉल्यूशन. तो हमें मोलैलिटी दी गई है, मोलैलिटी दैट इज 0.25 मोलर. इट मीन्स इस मोलैलिटी का क्या मतलब है कि 0. मोलैलिटी होती क्या है, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सोल्यूट बाय वेट ऑफ सोलवेंट इन किलोग्राम. अब इट इज 0.25, हमें दी गई है 0.25. इसका मतलब क्या है कि जो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सोल्यूट मीन्स यूरिया, कि यूरिया के नंबर ऑफ मोल्स 1 किलोग्राम सोलवेंट के अंदर जो प्रेजेंट हैं, दीज आर 0.25. सो वी कैन से दैट 0.25 moles of urea present in 1 kilogram of solvent. 1 किलोग्राम कह सकते हो या फिर 1000 ग्राम ऑफ सोलवेंट. 1000 ग्राम या 1000 ग्राम सोलवेंट के अंदर यूरिया जो प्रेजेंट है, इट इज 0.25 मोल्स. 0.25 मोल्स मतलब अगर हम इसका मास निकालें 1000 ग्राम सोलवेंट और उसमें क्या है हमारे जो मोल्स प्रेजेंट है दीज आर 0.25, तो मास multiplied by 60 because the molar mass of the urea is 60, it come out to be 15 ग्राम। तो हमारा यहाँ पर सोल्यूट का जो मास आया, मास ऑफ सोल्यूट दैट कम आउट टू बी 15 ग्राम एंड मास ऑफ सोलवेंट जो इसके साथ कंबाइन हुआ दैट इज 1000 ग्राम। तो यहाँ से मास हम निकाल सकते हैं किसका, सॉल्यूशन का। तो मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इज 1015 ग्राम और किलोग्राम में अगर हम बात करें तो इज 1.015 किलोग्राम। इतने किलोग्राम के अंदर जो सॉल्यूशन है हमारा, इसके अंदर जो मास है किसका, सोल्यूट या फिर यूरिया, वो कितना प्रेजेंट है, इट इज 15 ग्राम। 1.015 किलोग्राम सॉल्यूशन, इस सॉल्यूशन के अंदर जो हमारा यूरिया प्रेजेंट दैट इज 15 ग्राम। तो 1.015 kilogram of solution contain urea that is 15 gram and 1 kilogram of solution contain urea, it is 15 by 1015 and we have to find out in the 2.5 kilogram. So in the 2.5 kilogram present 15 by 1015 into 2.5. These are the grams. Because in kilogram it is also kilogram, that is in the gram. So we can find out the mass of the urea required to make 2.5 kilogram 0.25 मोलर एक्वस सॉल्यूशन। तो इसमें देखो हमें शुरू में क्या करना था, हमें मोलैलिटी दी गई थी, तो मोलैलिटी से हमने क्या है, मास निकाल लिया कि 1 किलोग्राम या 1000 किलोग्राम सॉल्वेंट जो कंबाइन हुआ है किसके साथ, 15 ग्राम के साथ। तो जो हमारा टोटल मास आया सॉल्यूशन का वो कितना आया, दैट इज 1.015 या क्या कह सकते हैं 1015 ग्राम। इसके अंदर जो हमारा यूरिया प्रेजेंट था दैट इज 15 ग्राम, इट इज इन द 15 ग्राम। तो एक के अंदर हमने निकाला, 1 किलोग्राम के अंदर इट इज 15 बाई 10, फिर हमने क्या 2.5 के अंदर निकाल लिया, सो इट कम आउट टू बी दिस। So students, our next question, it is also very important question. 4% weight by weight solution of NaOH and water। हमें क्या दिया गया है कि 4% NaOH और वाटर का कोई सॉल्यूशन हमने W/W बनाया है। इज प्रिपेयर्ड इफ डेंसिटी ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इज 1.5, हमें डेंसिटी भी दी गई है, इट इज 1.5 ग्राम पर क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर। क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर और ml, these are equal quantities. Then find out the molarity, mole fraction, normality and strength of solution. All these terms are asked in this question. So जब भी हमें 4% या इस तरह से हमें वेट बाय वेट में हमें कोई भी टर्म्स दे गई है तो उसको हम क्या करेंगे, इसको हम डिफरेंशिएट कर देंगे जो जो चीज़ें हमें दी गई हैं, और हमें साथ में क्या दी है, डेंसिटी। तो वेट बाय वेट ऑफ NaOH प्लस वाटर दैट इज गिवन एज 4%। सो इट कैन बी डिफरेंशिएटेड, तीनों चीज़ों को हम अलग अलग लिख लेंगे, सोल्यूट, सोलवेंट एंड सॉल्यूशन। जो तो चीज़ें हमें दी गई हैं, सोल्यूट, सोलवेंट, ऐसे डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो ये सारी टर्म्स हम निकाल सकते हैं। चाहे इसमें हमें मोलैरिटी निकालनी है, मोलैलिटी निकाले, मोलैलिटी, नॉर्मेलिटी। थर्ड टर्म इज सॉल्यूशन। सो 4% का मीन्स कि मास सोल्यूट का जो प्रेजेंट है दैट इज 4 ग्राम। परसेंटेज की बात की जाए तो इन द 100 and 100 ग्राम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन। देन द मास ऑफ द solvent, mass of the solvent that is 96 gram. Mass of solution is 100 gram in the 4% because percent means 100 and mass of solvent is 96 gram. Mass of solute is 4 gram. Next given that is density of solution is 1.5 ग्राम पर क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर या फिर 1.5 ग्राम पर ml। तो डेंसिटी से हम क्या निकाल सकते हैं, वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन भी हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम। सो वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू मास अपॉन डेंसिटी। मास given here 100 gram and density is 1.5 ग्राम पर ml। ग्राम से ग्राम कैंसल, ये जो आई 100 बाई 1.5 ml, that is our volume। volume of the solution, mass of the solvent, solvent present in the solution water, solvent is water, so we can calculate number of moles, mass by molar mass, and it is 96 in case of the water, molar mass is 18। these are the number of moles of solvent। we can calculate number of moles of the solute for molar mass, solute is NaOH, molar mass of NaOH is 40, it come out to be 0.1। these are the number of moles of solute, number of moles of solvent, that is volume of solution, mass of solution, mass of solvent, and mass of solute। so first term asked in question is molarity। we can find out molarity। molarity simply number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liter। so we can find out molarity, number of mole of solute is 0.1 and volume of solution 100 by 1.5 ml, we can convert it into liter। so molarity of the solution is this। second term is molality। what is molality? molality is number of moles of solute by weight of solvent in kilogram। so we can calculate number of mole of solute is 0.1 and weight of solvent in kilogram, that is 100, solvent is 96, so it is 96 by 1000, this is our molality। we can find out molality and molarity। third term is mole fraction। mole fraction for solute, NaOH के लिए जब मोल फ्रैक्शन निकालेंगे, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ NaOH बाई नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ NaOH प्लस नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ वाटर। we know number of moles of NaOH, these are 0. mole fraction of NaOH is 0.1 by 0.1 plus number of mole of this is 96 by 18। we can calculate mole fraction of NaOH, simply we can calculate mole fraction of water molecule, it is 1 minus mole fraction of this। molarity, molality, mole fraction। next term is normality। normality is number of gram equivalent by volume of solution in liter, या normality is equal to molarity into valency factor या n factor, we can also calculate here। in case of NaOH, NaOH dissociate into Na plus and OH minus, so its acidity is 1 या valency factor for the NaOH is 1, so normality is equal to molarity, molarity that is this and multiplied by valency factor 1, so normality and molarity are equal in case of NaOH। so we can calculate molarity, molality, normality, mole fraction। last point is strength। strength can be calculated represented by S, it is mass of solute by volume of solution in liter, and mass of the solute is 4 and volume of solution in liter, volume of solution is 100 by 1.5 ml, 100 1.5 into 1000, we can calculate unit of strength is gram per liter। it is very important question because all terms are asked in this question। we have given 4% weight by weight solution of NaOH and H2O। सबसे पहला इस क्वेश्चन में हम क्या काम करेंगे, इन तीनों चीज़ों को हम अलग अलग करेंगे, सोल्यूट, सोलवेंट एंड सॉल्यूशन। ये सभी हमने जो गिवन है 4% का मतलब कि सोल्यूट का मास 4 ग्राम, सॉल्यूशन कितना कि परसेंट की बात की तो 100, बाकी क्या रह गया सोलवेंट 96। तीनों का मास हमें पता लग गया। हमें आगे क्या दिया है डेंसिटी, तो डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम, सो वी कैन कैलकुलेट वॉल्यूम फ्रॉम हियर। देन number of moles can be calculated, mass by molar mass, mass by molar mass, so we can calculate molarity, number of mole of solute by volume of solution. Molality is number of mole of solute by weight of solvent, and mole fraction simply the ratio of number of moles. Next is normality is equal to molarity into valency factor. We can calculate valency factor in terms of NaOH is 1, so normality and molarity are equal. And last is strength. Strength is mass of solute by volume of solution in liter, so it is in gram per ml. These are the some important questions of unit solution. Thank you.